Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn off read receipts in Messenger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is open up the official Messenger application. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the App Store on your mobile phone, search for Messenger and find the application. Download it, install it, open it up, and once you have opened it up and logged into your profile of Facebook, it's going to go ahead and look like this. So you're going to have your chats options in the bottom left corner. That's automatically going to open up, and here we have at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, three menu options we can access, such as chats, stories, and menu. We want to open up menu. The menu option is going to take us to this page from where we can get started opening up the settings of our account. So what we want to do guys is open up our settings. You're going to click the settings option right here at the top of the screen, and by opening up settings, this is now going to enable us to manage the settings that we want to use of our account. So now, as you can see in the settings section right here, we can go ahead and open up this privacy and safety option. Once you click on privacy and safety, this is now going to open up this new menu of privacy and safety options, and what we want to do is scroll down. If you scroll down, it's going to go ahead and show you this option right here that says read receipts. So this is going to let people see that you read their message, and if you want to turn it off guys, you can go ahead and do so right here. So by turning this off, now people will no longer be able to see that you have read their message, and you can take a look at anybody's message without them being notified. So if you want to turn it back on, just turn it on again and it's going to return to normal, and basically that's how you can go ahead and turn off read receipts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.